10 Money Rules to Build Life-Changing Wealth. Ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth effortlessly while others struggle no matter how much they earn? It's not just about income. It's about the rules they follow with their money. Some high earners end up broke, while others with modest salaries retire as millionaires. The difference? Smart money habits that create long-term financial success. Today, we're diving into 10 money rules that can transform your financial future. Let's get started. Rule number 1. Always have 1 year of emergency cash. Life is full of surprises. Some are good, like a job promotion or a dream vacation, but some are bad, like losing a job or an unexpected medical bill. Most people recommend saving 3 to 6 months of expenses, but having a full year of cash gives you real peace of mind. This money should be safe in a bank account, not in stocks or risky investments. If saving a year's worth seems impossible right now, start small. Save for 1 month, then 3, then 6. Every bit helps. Having a full year of expenses saved is not just about peace of mind, it also gives you power. If you hate your job, you can quit without fear. If a family member needs help, you have the resources to step in. This is about freedom, not just finances. An emergency fund also gives you the ability to make better long-term choices instead of reacting out of desperation. When you have cash reserves, you aren't forced to take just any job or accept unfair terms in a financial emergency. Rule number 2, save 10% and invest 20% of your income. A rich life is not just about today, it's about tomorrow too. The key to building wealth is consistency. Save at least 10% of your income for short-term needs and invest 20% for long-term growth. If 20% sounds too high, start with 5% and increase it by 1% every year. Small steps now lead to huge results later. The more you invest, the more your money works for you. Remember, money that sits in a savings account loses value over time due to inflation. Investing is how you fight against that. Stocks, index funds, real estate, these are tools to make your money grow. The sooner you start, the bigger your future wealth. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to compound, multiplying your wealth over time. Rule number 3, pay in full for big purchases. Houses, weddings, honeymoons. Big purchases can be stressful. The best way to handle them? Plan ahead. Save before you buy. If you want a dream wedding, start saving for it years in advance. If you want to buy a house, save for a large down payment. The goal is to make big purchases without feeling financial pressure. And no, this doesn't mean you have to buy a house in cash. But having enough saved up to give yourself options is a game changer. Debt can be a financial trap. Paying in full, or at least having a solid down payment, means less interest, less stress, and more control over your money. Planning prevents regret later. It also keeps you from falling into the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. When you save first and spend later, you avoid financial stress and have more flexibility in life. Rule number 4. Never question spending on books, giving, or small joys. Money isn't just for saving, it's also for living. Some things in life are worth every penny. For me, that's books, donating to charity, and appetizers at a restaurant. Why? Books make me smarter, giving makes me happier, and good food makes life more enjoyable. What's your thing? Maybe it's coffee, plants, or art supplies. Choose something that truly makes you happy and allow yourself to enjoy it, guilt-free. Wealth isn't just about numbers, it's about lifestyle. Being intentional about joyful spending makes your financial journey sustainable. Finding a balance between saving and enjoying your money ensures you don't feel deprived, which helps you stick to good financial habits for life. Rule number 5, fly business class for flights over 4 hours. This rule might sound fancy, but hear me out. If you can afford it and you're hitting your financial goals, why not make travel more comfortable? A long flight in a cramped seat can ruin the start of your trip. A better experience means arriving refreshed and happy. If business class isn't for you, think about another area where spending more improves your life. Maybe it's high-quality shoes or a great mattress. Invest in what truly matters. Rule number 6, buy the best and keep it forever cheap. Things often cost more in the long run. Instead of buying 5 cheap jackets, buy one high-quality one and keep it for years. Whether it's clothes, furniture, or technology, spending more upfront can save money over time. Find the things that matter most to you and get the best version you can afford. Quality lasts longer and feels better. This mindset shifts you from a cheap mentality to a value mentality. The goal isn't just to spend less, it's to spend smarter. When you buy high-quality items that last, you ultimately save money and avoid unnecessary waste. Rule number 7, no limit on personal development. Your biggest asset is you. Investing in yourself is the best investment you'll ever make. Whether it's books, courses, coaching, or fitness, spending money on learning and growth pays off forever. If you can improve your skills, health, and mindset, your income and happiness will naturally increase. Never be afraid to invest in becoming a better version of yourself. When you grow, your income potential grows too. This rule isn't an expense. It's an investment in your earning power. Learning new skills can open doors to higher-paying jobs, business opportunities, and financial independence. Rule number 8, only work with people you respect and like. We spend a huge part of our lives working. So why spend that time with people who drain your energy? One of the biggest money rules is to build a career or business where you work with people you admire. Sometimes this means turning down jobs or clients, but in the long run, working with great people leads to better opportunities, more happiness, and even more money. Toxic environments drain your potential. Respect and happiness in work lead to long-term success. Surrounding yourself with motivated, high-quality people pushes you to achieve more. Rule number 9, automate your money. Making good financial decisions shouldn't be hard. The best way to make sure you save and invest is to set it on autopilot. Use automatic transfers to move money into your savings and investment accounts every month. This way, you never have to think about it, and your money grows while you sleep. Set it and forget it. It's the easiest way to build wealth over time. Rule number 10, spend on experiences, not just stuff. The best memories come from experiences, not things. Fancy gadgets and designer clothes might feel exciting at first, but they don't bring long-term happiness. Travel, concerts, adventures with friends, these are the things you'll remember forever. So focus on spending money where it truly adds value to your life. To sum it up, financial success isn't about luck. It's about following smart money rules, building an emergency fund, consistently saving and investing, making mindful purchases, and prioritizing personal growth contribute to long-term wealth. Which of these money rules resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on financial freedom. See you in the next one.